Hi guys, it's me, Lolita. Just simply Lolita. Have y'all noticed? Did y'all pay any attention that I changed my name on here yet again? This time I changed it to the acronym KISS, KISS, which simply stands for Keep It Simple Sister. I decided as much as possible I want to start making some videos about just keeping life simple. We're living in a day and age where everything is expensive, everything is chaotic, everything is mayhem, and everything is on your grind, hustle. And I ain't about that life. I'm not. I like being cool, calm, collected, and laid back. And I live a stress-free life. And I am attempting to spread that. A lot of times, I'm talking to people and they just so amazed at my positive outlook. And I'm like, that's because I don't let things stress me out. I don't. I'm human. I live in the same world that you guys live in, but I don't let things stress me out. I pray about it. If I can do anything about it, if it's a situation that I can do something about, then I do it. Even if it's a hard choice, but some of these choices don't be hard for me because I put myself first. Ladies, there's nothing wrong with putting yourself first, okay? All of our lives, we have put other people first, whether it's our children or our husbands. We have put people first. My children are adults. I am not divorced. So I put myself first. So if for me, choices are not hard because I do what's best for me. And then things that I cannot handle, I don't worry about those because I can't handle it. It's out of my control, right? So what I do, I pray about it, I give it to God, and then I let it go. Because if you're going to pray about it, why are you going to worry about it? So you either pray or worry or pray. Pick one. So anyway, I changed the acronym to KISS, Keep It Simple Sister, because I want to start making videos outside of my locks because it's not much I can really talk about with my locks, but I can talk about things like just keeping things simple, okay? Even as far as, nope, I have on no makeup. I don't feel the need. If somebody don't like what I look like, then they gotta look at me. But I like how I look like. I like how I look like. You know what I'm saying. I like how I look, so I'm fine. So I did put some lip gloss on, and I wear lip gloss. I'm moisturizing my lips. Matter of fact, I bought this. I got this when I was in Savannah. I really like it. It has SPF, and that's what attracted me to it. So I like how I feel on my lips, and it is a protector of my lips because lips have skin, right? So it protects from the sun. But I really just want to explain right quick why I changed it to the acronym of KISS. So with that being said, the purpose of today's quick video is I'm gonna do an unboxing. Do people still watch unboxing videos? Y'all remember when they were very, very, very popular with unboxing videos? So I decided to do that. So I ordered a few things, not a lot of things, but I'll have my little ULTA beauty box, and we're gonna open it. It took so long to get here. I do remember one of the things I purchased because I've been looking forward to it, but shoot, the other little stuff, and it's not that much, y'all. It's not that much at all. So part of my keeping it simple is also kind of minimizing to as much as possible. My plan is to minimize just everything. So I'm not gonna get into hair stuff, but yeah, I have minimized it as well. I had already minimized it, but I felt myself going back into that darn product junkie. Ooh, honey, I was like, no, I can't do that. But we have our little box open. Let's see, and what did I got? Lord, what did I get? Well, the first thing that is here, or that I'm going to open, is the L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear Cushion Foundation. Look, as soon as I'm like, I'm comfortable not wearing makeup, which I am. I wear makeup. I wear makeup when I want to wear makeup. And if I don't want to wear makeup, I don't wear makeup. Just that simple. But I purchased this. I saw a video on TikTok, and I was intrigued. It looked like it's really nice coverage. Oh, it's bigger than what I thought too. It looked like it was small when she opened it. And she said it was lightweight, and y'all know how they sell us on stuff. So they sold me. This is what it looks like when you open it. Okay. Oh. This is the color I got. What color did I get? I got 370 Cool Freud. This is the color I got. Seems kind of dark, doesn't it? Ooh. Ooh. And y'all, I'm gonna try it right quick. Cause, ooh. Ooh. It's very soft. Very soft. Oh. And even when I do wear makeup, guys, I like my makeup to look skin finished. I don't like to look like I have a ton of makeup on. And that's what I was liking about this. Y'all see? No makeup over here. Put this over here. I think I'm gonna like it. Okay, so that is the L'Oreal cushion. One day I do a full. Even though for me full is this, maybe a little concealer, some powder. I like to put gold on the tip of my nose, and then that be it. So one day I may do a video of my version of full makeup. Okay, so I got that. I love these. I've been buying these for years, y'all. These are the under eye patches. I tried the pink box they have. I think that one is collagen. I don't like the pink box as much as I like the green one. This one is green tea hydrogel under eye patch. So I got 2 of these. I think Ulta had them on sale. But either I got 2 of these. I love these. I have been purchasing those for years. I got some mascara. This is one of my favorite mascaras. When I wear mascara now, if I don't wear makeup, like if I was going to work and I'm not wearing makeup, I always put on mascara, lip gloss, SPF, and I'm out the door. But I do wear 2 mascaras. So like this is for volume, and then I have another. Where is it? This is by Lancome Idol Tint. This one is a lengthening. I love this one. Y'all see the brush on it? So what I normally do, it doesn't really matter what order. You can go in with the lengthening first and then brush on the volume, or you can do the volume then the lengthening. I have done them both ways. I feel like they turn out looking the same. I really do. But I always do 2 mascaras. I do one for volume, I do one for lengthening, and that is it. So I got that. And then this is something free. We don't talk about that yet. So the next thing I got, one of my favorites, and I got where I was on this try everything. This is a perfume, and I was buying so many different perfumes, and some of them I liked but didn't love. This perfume I love. I have a few perfumes that I love that I will be purchasing if I don't already have them. I already have some, but just I want to keep, just forever keep those. And this is one of them. This is Miss Dior Eau de Parfum. I love this stuff, y'all. This stuff is so nice. I used to only wear this on date night, like when I was married, because it's on the expensive side. At least it's on the expensive side to me. It may not be expensive to you, but it's on the expensive side to me. I do go ahead and buy the big bottle. Buying a smaller bottle, in my opinion, is just a waste. So I go ahead and invest and buy the big bottle. And here she is. Isn't she pretty? Oh, isn't she lovely? Yeah, she's so pretty. I love this perfume, y'all. So yeah, like I was saying, I used to only wear it on date night. And then once I got divorced and I started dating, I still would only wear it when I was going out. Oh my God, this smells so good. But now, y'all, I wear my perfume when I want to wear my perfume, because dating is spotty. I go out sometimes I don't. I just be in the comforts of my own home for the most part. But so I just, you know, going to work. So that's one of them. One of my videos will be a perfume video. I'm eating some candy. Yeah, one of my videos will be a perfume video, and I will show you guys my favorite perfumes, okay? But for now, just know that Miss Dior is one of them. This is the regular one. I have not I have not tried the Intense. I probably will, but I won't buy the full bottle. You know, I'm gonna buy like the rollerball. I think the rollerball is $39, might be $99, but I know I love this one. So, and then everything, that's it. That's all that I purchased. Then y'all know ULTA always giving you something free. So what's this? Oh, it's a Dior makeup bag. A Dior makeup bag. Oh, I love it. Yay. Okay. I'm about to have to start traveling for work. This is gonna be right on hand. And it's Dior. Huh. Okay. So that was free with my perfume purchase. And oh, I got some samples. This is Sauvage by Dior. I think this is a man fragrance. Oh, it's definitely a man fragrance. Jeez, that's strong. Probably will smell good on the man though. And then, oh, another one. They must still think I'm married. So who am I supposed to give this to? Oh, I got a son. Let me give it to my son. Because this is another one. Why they send me two? Oh, they should have sent me like a free sample of the Miss Dior Intense, right? Because, yeah, because this is another Sauvage. I give it to my son. Because I don't have anybody special in my life right now. This stuff is strong, y'all. Jeez. Okay. And then the last little free sample, I don't even know what this is. It's something by Bobbi Brown, vitamin enriched face base, but I still don't know what it is. What is it? Is it a moisturizer? Is it a you know, a base for your foundation? I don't know what it is, but I'll be throwing it away. I won't be using that at all. So that's it, guys. Like I said, I just wanted to touch bases real fast about why I changed the name over to Kiss, and then I wanted to do that quick unboxing. Okay, so that's what I'm gonna do, kind of going forward, just simple life. All right, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys. Oh wait, speaking of simple life, my hair, this is, I did a braid out on top. This is just like, you know, the crown area. There's a braid over here, there's a braid over here, and then everything is just in a ponytail, because y'all know it's been very hot and I wanted my hair off my neck because it's like right here. And so I just thought I would do it like this. So something that's simple, styled, cute. I can wear every day, I can wear to work, whatever. So again, simple. All right. Thanks guys. I will see you later. Bye bye. Enjoy the rest of your evening.